Light is at the center of human existence. I've illuminated the beauty in the waste around us and its relevance to the survival of humanity. I grew up in my village with my grandmother, who is eco-friendly and has a strong belief in the philosophy which says, live and let live. Her ideas cut deep into me as she molded my aspiration as an environmentalist who strives to find beauty and value in discarded and abandoned waste in order to address contemporary societal breaches for the symbiotic existence of human and its environs. I am a versatile artist with experience in diverse art practices. I aim to bring to the light the beauty of the waste generated in our daily activities and change perception of how waste is viewed by the human eye. Make waste upcycling an alternative to economic empowerment.